Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing LCX, the Crypto Supercycle. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's see what's happening with LCX official handle in real time. What's happening? I found a really interesting post over here from none other than Monty Metzger himself, guys. Look at this. Unveiling the Crypto Supercycle. LCX is leading the way in tokenization and becoming Cardano's #1 crypto exchange. Here's what went down at the Cardano Summit 2024 in Dubai. This is November 4th, 2024, guys, so this is latest. Look at this. I had the honor of delivering a keynote, the Crypto Supercycle, empowering Cardano startups, where I shared how LCX is bridging traditional finance and blockchain. We've discussed LCX and how it is trying to solve problems in terms of RWAs, in terms of payments, in terms of being that regulated exchange, and how it is bridging TradeFi and blockchain. Monty also talked about that. We're going to be looking at that and hearing from him in a moment. But first, let's go through what this thread says. Our partnership with Cardano is already making waves. LCX is now the SEX with the most Cardano projects listed. And Cardano, guys, it's going to be huge in my opinion, despite the negativity surrounding it in recent times. Solana also had outages, but you saw Solana perform well, and how the Solana meme frenzy took over the market. And Cardano will have its time in my opinion, and LCX listing most Cardano projects, I think it is doing a good job. Signups at LCX doubled during Cardano listing week. 70% of traders are non-Cardano natives, highlighting our platform's global reach. Great. The excitement is real. During my keynote, I explored how the convergence of blockchain, tokenization, and regulation is driving a massive financial revolution that could 10x the industry. And it is certainly possible, guys. Only when we talk about tokenization, it is primed to become a $16 trillion industry approximately by 2030, and beyond it could double in a matter of another decade or so after 2030. So who knows? And I agree that anything can happen with this in industry. It is still infant. It is still in its inception. We're committed to empowering Cardano startups, from legal tokenization solutions to market-making support. LCX provides the infrastructure for founders to thrive without regulatory burdens, because LCX is trying to lay the foundations in a good manner, in a legal manner, guys. So they do not have to worry about regulations. LCX, we're turning tokenization into reality as a physical validator. We ensure assets like diamonds via diamonds are secure, insured, and legally enforceable. This sets new standards for asset tokenization. You can swap those diamonds 1:1 with a physical diamond. You can swap your digital diamonds with the physical diamonds, guys, and LCX is a validator, that physical validator who guarantees that your assets are safe. Huge thanks to Frederick Grigard, and the Cardano Foundation team for making this summit unforgettable. And this also brings us to a point over here that Cardano, a huge brand in this space, is so tight with Monty and the team. This is also great in my opinion, because Cardano, whether someone likes it or not, it indeed is a brand in this space. Now let's see what Mr. Monty has to say. So look at this, Monty Metzger in his keynote at Cardano Summit from LCX official handle, talking about the Crypto Supercycle. Let's hear him out.
The CEO and founder of LCX, to the stage. Thank you very much. Join me in a round of applause.
What if I told you we're at the brink of a very unique moment in time? The end of financial markets as we know it. What if I told you that all the old structures we've been building for decades are being reshaped right in front of our eyes? Blockchain, tokenization, digital assets, and DeFi are all gaining massive momentum. We're witnessing the start of a new crypto supercycle. A crypto supercycle which is redefining value, trust, and also capital flows all around the world. So that's why today I'm talking about the crypto supercycle and how to empower Cardano startups. My talk is structured in 3 ways. First, I want to talk about the most important company in the world, freedom of wealth, and the crypto supercycle. Let's dive right in, but first, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Monty Metzger. I'm founder and CEO of LCX. LCX stands for the Liechtenstein Crypto Assets Exchange. I'm an entrepreneur by heart. I started my first company in 1998 while I still had been at school programming websites. And since then I had been hooked to digital and been in that space since then. I founded LCX in Liechtenstein, but also Diamonds, platform for tokenization of diamonds, and MasterDex, our DeFi spin-out. I'm known as a futurist. Also, I've been doing a lot of venture scouting for VCs and then incorporated my own venture capital fund called Digital Leaders Ventures, where we invested in startups all over the world, Europe, Nordics, in MENA region, as well as in US. And last but not least, we're giving back. So with our foundation now in Switzerland, we're supporting a lot of arts and sports for good projects at the moment. I also wrote 2 books. One is called Blockchain Banking, The Future of Money and Finance, and one is being published very soon called Tokenization, the $1 trillion asset revolution. So we've certainly done some research on the topics. So why did I put this here on the slide, the most important company in the world? We had a guest early 2019 in Liechtenstein, which will be here on stage as well very soon, Don Tapscott. He's an advisor, a long-time friend of mine. I know him since his book, Wikinomics, early 2000, I think even pre-iPhone ages. And while he had been there at our stage in Liechtenstein, he was saying LCX is one of the most important companies in the space and in the world. So let me show you why. LCX, at a glance, it's the next generation crypto exchange. We are one company and one home. So we are operating out of Liechtenstein, and one company is quite unique if you look at other crypto exchanges on how they are set up. Because we doubled down in the European ecosystem. It was founded in April 2018, and we have a shared capital of 1 million Swiss francs. Last public valuation was around 500 million US dollars. We're headquartered in Vaduz.
I'll add one thing, guys, that having a foundation in Europe is one of the best things that can happen to a project. Anyways, let's continue.
And are roughly 100 full-time employees at the moment. We are called the hidden champion because we always had been focusing on crypto compliance since start. From day one, there's kind of no lack of track record of compliance in our KYC since start, and this always had been holding us back a lot because there had been other crypto exchanges who didn't care about regulation, didn't care about crypto compliance, but we did. But this will be changing now as we are entering a legal framework in Europe, and I will tell you now later why we have an unfair advantage. We are also segregating the funds 100%. We have offered the first legal token sale solution where LCX becomes the token issuer for projects, which makes a huge difference because we can register the token sale for the projects, and we've done so also for NMaker and many other Cardano projects in that regard, and then also launched it on our launchpad. And we've done tokenization, or we're enabling tokenization with a legal role called the physical validator. This is a worldwide, very unique structure where we are like a notary guaranteeing and being legally liable that the underlying asset which you put in a token actually is there, that it's not stolen, borrowed, or under debt, that it's stored in a secure way. And this is embedded in the law. And so if you're buying any of the tokenized assets we're publishing or tokenizing on the blockchain, you have a legal right to enforce it in the court in Liechtenstein. So we call ourselves a new category leader in bridging traditional finance and blockchain innovation. At the moment, we are one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges in Europe because people are seeking for a regulated, secure, and trusted entity. Enough about me and LCX. We want to empower Cardano startups. That's why we're here. We have a whole week of celebration of the Cardano ecosystem. And the reason why we can do that is we invested early in Cardano, in the infrastructure. We're running several nodes. We built the whole infrastructure for Cardano native tokens. So we can list any Cardano native asset quickly. And as you know, as any developer, with every transaction, when you do a withdrawal from a centralized entity, you always need to send in a little bit of ADA as gas fee as well. It's complicated, not as easy as implementing ERC20. But we've done the hassle and overcome this to make it happen. And now we're doing a listing festival this week with a lot of new tokens coming to LCX Exchange. We also do Cardano native tokens, registered ICOs, so initial token offerings where we can prove and also get a legal statement from the regulator saying this is not a security, it's a utility token or governance token, and we can register the token on behalf of the project. So it's a legal kind of protection for the startup founders who fully want to focus on the product, on the tech, and don't want to care about the legal costs and also the legal setup. That's what we are handling. And with NMaker, I think it was one of the most successful Cardano projects on our platform. They raised $1 million within the first couple of minutes, and then several millions in the
Keep in mind that the Cardano projects haven't truly taken off. When they do, the exposure to LCX is going to be phenomenal as they are really tight with Cardano, as you can see.
First week when they then closed it. We're also doing this Cardano Native Listing Festival with 5 tokens this week. So Snag, the strong meme coin community, but also Meld and some other tokens being listed right now. And we're talking to a lot of other community members right now who we should list as well. Last but not least, we are also offering $250,000 in a prize money to the Battle of the Builders. I've been part of the jury this morning, and we will be announcing the winners tomorrow at the gala in a festive environment. So we're doing investment into the startups. We are providing a listing at LCX's regulated exchange, and we're providing market making packages around it. And last but not least, for the Cardano community, we're providing now VIP support. So if you're anyone depositing ADA, NMaker, or any Cardano native token, just reach out to our team at hello@lcx.com, or there's a little chat box, and you will get premium support. I talked about tokenization, but what we really do is a project called Diamond. And this is tokenizing a real-world asset.
Diamonds is literally a magnum opus of LCX for the time being, and I know that different projects are going to be going through LCX, but at the moment, tokenizing diamonds, it is huge.
In this case, diamonds. And we started with this as a showcase, kind of a proof of concept in the first place, but now it became the largest tokenized diamonds marketplace in the world. There's more than 14,000 diamonds as we speak on the platform, growing every day. And we are not only tokenizing it and selling it on the marketplace, but we are also responsible with LCX of the custody. So we're storing it in Liechtenstein. We are insuring it for free, and we're making sure that the assets are safeguarded the right way, physically and also digitally way. So one NFT is one diamond. And we're now expanding with different other assets, so there's more to be announced what we'll do. But with the diamond marketplace, we're really revolutionizing how diamonds are traded, especially if you are a broker, if you are a collector or investing in diamonds, investable grade diamonds. This is probably 2% of the global diamond market as of now, but it's a growing element because the real rare diamonds, the top quality, top clarity, cut and color are the ones you want to be investing in. And if you buy them, you would need to pay shipping, then you would need to store them in your own vault, you need to worry about insurance and so on, and this we all solve. So you can basically buy the NFT as an ownership certificate and then own it, gift it to somebody, trade it, sell it, or just keep it, right? So this is all about what we do. Now I want to talk about...
I mean, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Like Monty said, that only owning that NFT, you can trade it, you can sell it, you can do anything with it, and without the hassle of basically storing it yourself and the insurance and being afraid to get it stolen. Maybe, I mean, that is in my opinion, that is great for LCX, the tokenization of diamonds. Well, so guys, what do you guys think about LCX and the Crypto Supercycle? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.